of July 2011. Time now is, yeah, almost quarter to eight on Middlehampton Beach. Done a video with Rio, and Matt would like all this. Matt was really, really neat. I love it. See all the rocks, little fish, stuff. And this sand, kind of like the one I'm treading on. New trainers, Andy. Just like a desert. You know, you're being in Afghanistan, you know where to hide. It's Friday, and I hope it stays like this. Yeah, I said before, I'm going to be busking later in Rustenton, aren't I? Oh, oh, yeah, you can tell it's real. Right. And you feel this nice, yeah, people jogging. That's what I do now, pick it up. 7 months and a bit after a 5 year period where I didn't drink, smoke, and I relapsed 2010. And I stopped at the end of 2010. On the 3rd of December 2010. Uh, this is fantastic. Things you miss, no? Mm-hmm. Well, I could drop my head here. And, tripping out in paradise. It's nice and sober. There's your body real. Water there. Yeah, good boy. Good boy. Yeah, you can sit down. Sit down. Sit down. Whoa, whoa. No. Sit down. Sit. Sit. Stay. 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 Who's a good boy? Who's a good boy? Who's a good boy? Is it Paul? No. Sit down. Real. Come here. Sit down. Sit down. Sit down. Sit down. Sit. 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 Not saying again. Sit down. Sit. Sit. Who's gonna be a good boy? Good boy or bad boy? Good boy or bad boy? Sit down. Sit down. Sit. Sit. Sit down. Sit. Sit down. Sit. Sit down. Now. Sit down. Sit. Good boy. Sit down. Who's gonna? Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Yeah. Gotta train you so you don't run outside the dogs like the other day. Yeah. You ran down and you almost got hit by a car. Didn't you? Good boy. He's a good boy. Who gives his paw? Who gives his paw? Who gives his paw? Come here. Paw. 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 Good boy. Good boy. Yeah. You know the camera's on, don't you? Okay. Where's the desert of Littlehampton? To itself. The sunshine. Obviously you can't see it off the camera. I've fed some seagulls and swans in the river just over here. Where's your body? You gotta get 10 minutes maybe to be cute. 10, 15 minutes. It's lovely. Brilliant. Peace and quiet. Hey Ria, you like it, don't you? Hey Ria. Okay, look, a boat coming. Look, a boat. Look at the water. Look. Nice, isn't it? Boat there. No war. Speed camera in operation. Okay. They're all fishing. Oh, Orkney. You throw a line out here, you know, here. Throw a line out, casting out, sea bass here. Yeah, no seaweed because it's calm. When it really goes out, it's a wall of fucking seaweed. Again, kind of goes past my thing. Look at that feather. Gone. I'm not moving the pen. I'm moving it now, following. So, speed camera in operation, no wash, no shit on the beach grill. What are you eating? No, leave that fish alone. Okay, cheers.